Hello everyone. UK government today announced the steps to easing the lockdown. You currently UK is in the third lockdown, third national lockdown, which started in 6th of January for 6 weeks. Boris Johnson, the Prime Minister of UK, he has announced the roadmap for easing the lockdown. He has told four stages of easing the lockdown. We will see in this video what are the four stages, what are the conditions applied for these four stages. Based on this information, you can decide whether to come to UK and what stage you need to come to UK, whether if you are having any study commitments to come to UK, or if you have work commitments to come to UK as a skilled worker visa. You can see this video, and then the information I'm going to give will help you to decide when to come to UK. The government has told four major conditions for these four stages of lockdown easing. They are: so vaccine program will continue as normal, so that they'll continue vaccinating all the people, all the adults specifically in UK. So government has told they will finish all the vaccination for adults by end of June. So that's their plan, at least one dose of vaccination by end of June. That's the first plan. Then what they told is evidence of vaccine working. That means whether the vaccine is reducing the surge of infection and then spread of infection. That's the second condition. The third condition is how the hospital admissions are going, what are the deaths rates are coming down or not. This is the third condition. And then the fourth condition is how the existing vaccines are coping up to the new variants of coronavirus from across the world. You know that UK have two variants, which is Kent variant and Bristol variant, and then there is another two variant outside of UK, that's Brazil variant and South Africa variant. They are expecting more variants to come because it's a natural evolution of the virus. So how the existing medicines are going to cope with the new medicines is the fourth condition they have kept. The four stages of lockdown easing is: first major date is March 8th. So March 8th, all the schools in UK will open, from primary, nursery to secondary schools. All will be open. The students in the schools will be allowed to play outside of the school. And then for secondary students, what they mentioned is the secondary students should wear masks while they are in the corridors, but not in the classes. That's the main thing. All the teachers will undergo weekly twice coronavirus test, so that they will just make sure that they are not having corona. That's the one thing they are going to make sure. After schools clubs will be open, so parents can leave their students after school if they are going to work, or they can leave the students before school. That is the breakfast club when they want to go to work early. So that is going to be there. And then two people from different households can meet outdoor. That's the main condition. Two different people from two different houses can meet outdoor. That's one thing. But however, whenever, even in after March 18, social distancing, mask and all will be mandatory. You have to wear that. And then second stage of phase 1 is March 29. March 29, what they're going to do is they're going to allow up to 6 people to gather outside of house or in outdoor. That's a condition. And then 2 household can meet outdoor. So your neighbor can come out and then you can talk to you, but you cannot go inside and talk to them. So that's the condition. And sports and tennis outdoor activities are going to start without spectators from March 29th. And then the second stage of this lockdown easing is April 12th, which is after the Easter holidays. They are saying that all non-essential shops will be open from April 12th. That means all the clothing shops, electronic shops, toy shops, everything will be open from April 12th. And then hairdressers, beautician, museums, indoor swimming pools, indoors gyms, outdoor alcohol serving gardens, all will be open. But pubs and restaurants cannot open for sitting eating. That is, you cannot go inside and eat. But if you have a garden or a pub garden, something like that, people can buy alcohol and come out of the pub and they can have the alcohol. That's there. And takeaway is also allowed, but hotels are not allowed to serve inside. That's condition is still there. And self catering holidays or accommodations are allowed. So all the hotels having self catering facility, they are allowed to open, but they are not allowed to serve in their restaurants. That's condition still there. International travel for leisure is still not allowed, but government has told on April 12th or after April 12th they will announce a new condition for international leisure travel. That means whether you can go for abroad for a recreational purpose or a holiday. Weddings can accommodate 15 people and any funerals can accommodate 30 people. That's a condition with social distancing in place. That is there. This new conditions are applicable from April 12th. So third stage again depends upon the data, what happened on the results of the data from the first two stages. It is on May 17th. They are going to announce the third conditions. Third conditions or third easing, I can say, third lockdown easing steps. That means 2 household can mix indoor, so any of your neighbors can come to you, into your house, and they can talk to you. You can go to their house and talk to them. You can go to a friend's house, you can talk to them, which was not possible for the past 4 5 months. And you can go and stay in another house overnight, that's possible. And six people are allowed to sit inside the hotel or restaurant or pubs, and then they can have their meal, that is allowed. And cinemas, hotels, performance sports, and then sports events, football events with 10,000 spectators is allowed. That is going to be allowed. So football Premier League will allow audience for the first time with 10,000 spectators in any one game, that is possible. And mainly the Wimbledon will start, and then the cricket will start in May. So that's why they told these conditions. And then the last one is the June 21. After June 21, there is no restrictions applied. So everything is expected to be normal. Data permits, no social distancing, no face mask. So it will be almost 99% to back to normal. We are expecting that to happen on June 21. So if you are planning to come to UK, you have to still make sure the quarantine rules are still applied. The government has not changed that rule. They still apply the red list, and then the normal non-red list countries. If you're coming from non-red list, you have to quarantine for 10 days in your self-isolation in your own house. If you are a British citizen coming from a red list country, you have to self-isolate at your own cost in a government approved hotel. And anyone other than them coming from red list countries are banned entry, that's there. So government has not relaxed the quarantine rules yet, so we have to wait and watch what will be the changes they will be announcing. So most likely after April 12th, the government may say something on relaxing the quarantine rules based on the data, how the 2 stages of lockdown easing has worked. Based on that, they will announce. We are waiting for that. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.